Whether you need to learn a foreign language for work, study, or to enrich your travel experiences, there are many reasons why you should learn a language. 18 in fact. So if you're considering learning a new language, or you have already started, I'm going to share with you some huge benefits to learning a second, third, or fourth language that really don't get shared or talked about very much. Hi, my name is Michelle. I'm the Intrepid Guide, your guide to language learning for travel. Now, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell notification so you get an alert when I post more videos like this one. Learning a foreign language not only allows you to have a potentially better career or to study abroad, it can also be extremely beneficial for your mental health, cognitive abilities, and it improves the overall quality of your life. But that's just the beginning. Let's take a look at some of the other unknown and hidden advantages and health benefits of learning a foreign language that you probably didn't know about. The first benefit is it increases your self-confidence and your happiness. Now, expanding your skills and working towards something that we can achieve makes us happy, and that includes learning a foreign language. Our researchers at the University of Cambridge have conducted a review of multiple studies that have shown clear evidence that learning as an adult increases self-esteem and self-efficacy. Another study conducted by the Institute for Employment Studies has shown that 80% of learners between the ages of 50 and 71 have noticed a positive impact on at least one of the following areas: their enjoyment of life, their self-confidence, how they felt about themselves, their happiness in other aspects of life, and their ability to cope with daily problems. The second benefit of learning a foreign language is that you become a better decision maker. And one of the hidden benefits of learning a second language is the positive influence on decision making. A study done by the University of Chicago found that people tend to make better decisions when thinking in a foreign language. You may not know it, but there are nuances and subtle implications in the vocabulary of any language, and they create biases that can cloud your judgment without you even knowing about it. Being able to think things over in a foreign language reduces emotional response and various biases, and you can think more clearly and make better and more confident decisions. The third benefit of learning a foreign language is that it improves your memory. Now, many believe that to learn a second language you need a good memory, but learning a second language actually improves your memory. You just need to start. The more you learn, the more your memory will improve. Now, multiple studies have shown that bilingual children perform better at tasks involving memorization and have a better working memory, the kind of memory that allows us to store and process information short term, usually while performing a task. Benefit number 4 is that it increases your attention span. Another hidden benefit of learning a language is that bilingual people tend to have better attention spans than monolinguals. This not only makes them better listeners, it helps them to concentrate better on any given activity the person is performing, such as reading, studying, or even spending quality time with their loved ones. Now, this happens because bilingual people need to switch between different languages and evaluate which language is appropriate for which situation, which gives the brain plenty of practice in focusing and filtering information. Benefit number 5 is that it improves your ability to multitask. Among the benefits of learning a second language is the improved multitasking ability, which is the ability to perform multiple tasks at the same time. Now, multitasking is great to save time, but it can also result in errors and poorly performed tasks when you can't concentrate well enough on any of the tasks or don't switch fast enough between the tasks. But learning a foreign language can help with that too. Studies have shown that bilinguals have a better working memory. This is because they are used to juggling 2 or more languages at the same time, which involves switching from one language to another, prioritizing and editing out irrelevant information. This allows bilingual people to be more effective at performing several tasks at the same time. Health benefit number 6 of learning a foreign language is that it increases your perceptual sensitivity. Now, as already mentioned, bilingual and multilingual people have better memories. They are also better at filtering out and prioritizing information and editing out irrelevant stuff and concentrating on what's important. This makes them more perceptive and better observers of their surroundings. This also results in multilingual people being able to spot misleading and deceptive information much easier. So if you're aspiring to be a famous detective, then learning at least one foreign language is an absolute must. Benefit number 7 is you'll gain better cognitive abilities. In addition to improved memory, attention span, and the ability to focus, learning a foreign language improves your overall cognitive abilities. Simply put, It makes you smarter. Oh yeah. Now, learning to speak another language challenges your brain to recognize and negotiate meaning and communicate in a different language system. As a result, it boosts your ability to negotiate meaning in other problem-solving tasks as well. Now, a study conducted by the University of Edinburgh has shown that bilingual people tend to score better on a number of standardized tests, including reading, maths, vocabulary, and other aspects. This helps bilingual people, among other things, to study other subjects more effectively. Benefit number 8 is it improves your first language, in other words, your mother tongue. Another one of the less obvious benefits of learning a second language is that it develops your mother tongue skills. The explanation is quite simple. When learning a foreign language, you spend a lot of time concentrating on grammar, conjugations, sentence structure, and other aspects of the language. We usually don't pay much attention to grammar and language structure in our native language, but learning a foreign language provides more focus on grammar in general. We also regularly draw parallels between the mother tongue and the foreign language. As a result, you will gain a better understanding of how your native language works and become a better communicator. Benefit number 9 is that it increases the volume of your brain. Now, studies have shown that learning a foreign language increases the volume and density of grey matter in your brain. Yep, your brain gets bigger. Now, the brain, or rather the grey matter, is made up of cells called neurons and connections between them, dendrites. Now, bilingualism makes the grey matter denser, which means more cells and connections between them, which ultimately means a healthier brain. Now, bilingualism also has a positive effect on white matter, which allows messages in the brain to travel fast and effectively. Benefit number 10 is that it delays the onset of dementia and Alzheimer's. Probably one of the most advantageous benefits of learning a second language is the effect on brain aging. Multiple studies have shown that speaking a foreign language slows down the aging of the brain and delays the onset of dementia and Alzheimer's disease. In a way, learning a foreign language works for your brain the same way exercising works for your body. It helps to keep the brain healthy and fit much longer. As studies have shown, it staves off dementia and Alzheimer's on average by 4 to 5 years. Interestingly, you don't need to start learning a second language at an early age. People who become bilingual as an adult, like I was, experience the same benefits. So it's never too late to start. Benefit number 11 is that you have a faster stroke recovery time. Now, a study by the University of Edinburgh has revealed that stroke patients are more likely to regain their cognitive functions if they speak more than one language. Now, this may be due to the fact that bilingual people constantly switch from one language to another, which results in constant brain training. Now, as mentioned earlier, learning a foreign language increases the number of grey matter cells, improving the overall health of the brain. This can also be a factor in helping stroke patients to recover. Benefit number 12 is that it delays the aging process. Another way being bilingual can help your adult brain is by protecting it against aging. There has been a lot of research studying the effects of bilingualism on brain aging, and all the studies seem to come to a general consensus that being able to speak a foreign language slows down the aging process. Woohoo! Now, is speaking more foreign languages in this case better than just one? Well, it may be. A study by the American Academy of Neurology has shown that more languages people know, the less likely they are to experience memory loss and cognitive decline. Benefit number 13 is that you perform better in mathematics. Now, this is probably one of the most unexpected benefits of learning a second language. And language and mathematics seem to be rather different subjects, yet studies show that bilinguals perform better in various mathematical tests than monolinguals. This is likely due to some of the other benefits of language learning mentioned earlier, such as improved memory, increased focus and concentration, better perception and observation, and improved general cognitive ability. Benefit number 14 is that it improves your creativity. Creativity is not magic. It involves such skills as memory, perception, multitasking, decision making, all of which are greatly improved by learning a second language. Now, being bilingual also improves your innovative thinking, partly simply through exposing yourself to new vocabulary, concepts, and a whole new culture. Studies have shown that due to their enhanced executive thinking and exposure to other cultures, bilinguals outperform monolinguals on various creative tasks. The 15th benefit of learning a foreign language is that it fine-tunes your hearing. Through exposing you to the sounds of another language, as well as improving your overall attention span and perception, learning a foreign language fine-tunes your hearing. And a study by Northwestern University has shown that bilinguals perform significantly better than monolinguals in situations where a lot of background noise was present. Now, this is due to the fact that bilinguals are used to juggling linguistic input and separating the relevant from the irrelevant. Benefit number 16 of learning a foreign language is that it helps you to understand other cultures better. Now, all languages are strongly connected with the culture or cultures of the people who speak it. Now, by learning a foreign language, you will inevitably be exposed to new concepts, different logic and ways of thinking, and a new culture. And through this exposure and comparison, you ultimately get a better understanding of foreign cultures as well as your own. Now, bilingual education has been shown to help students understand the importance of their own language and culture while providing a better understanding of cultures in general. Benefit number 17, and my personal favorite for learning a foreign language, is that you'll have better travel experiences. Now, on one hand, it is not always necessary to learn a foreign language to be able to travel. Many people in the hospitality industry speak English, and gestures can go a really long way. However, if you speak even a little of the local language, you can have significantly improved travel experiences. You'll be able to meet new people, make new friends amongst the locals, have more meaningful conversations and interactions, get local recommendations, and visit places that are off the beaten tourist path. It is highly likely that people will be more willing to help you as well and be nicer when they can see that you've made an effort to learn their language. Benefit number 18 is you'll make more friends and have an improved social life. Now, not all benefits of learning a second language are related to brain health and cognitive abilities. There are some great social benefits too. Not only do you enjoy better travel experiences, as I explained earlier, but learning a foreign language allows you to have a better social life and make more friends. Now, social connections are important to our health and happiness, and learning a foreign language not only allows you to meet new, interesting people that you wouldn't have otherwise met, it also increases your overall social sensitivity, which has a positive influence on your social life. So there we have it, 18 reasons why learning a foreign language is good for you. And learning a second, third, or even a fourth language is a no-brainer. It's great for your mind, body, and soul. But it's the lesser known and less measurable benefits that put a cherry on top of this already amazing language sundae. Without even realizing it, when you learn a foreign language, you're actually making your brain healthier, improving your cognitive abilities and your social life. You don't need to be fluent to benefit from all these side effects either. Any language learning you do is a wonderful investment into your overall happiness and well-being. So, which one of these benefits surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Now, if you're serious about improving your target language, download my free guide, 9 Reasons You're Not Fluent Yet and How to Fix It. Just click on the link in the description below and I'll send you my free guide. In the meantime, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and turn on those notifications so you get alert when I post more videos like this one. Until next time, thanks for watching and happy language learning. Bye!